Welcome to ProjePark Workshop. After 20 years in digital world, ProjePark proudly announced a new brand, ProjePark Workshop. My name is Ardenik. Me and my team were involved hundreds of games, animation, digital communication projects, and now we would like to share our knowledge with newcomers. Concept of ProjePark Workshop is simple. We will be defining problems of the game and application startups, entrepreneurs, and developers. Finally, we will come up with the solutions of each problem. This is it. We know what type of difficulties you are facing with. We know how many sleepless nights you are spending during your journey. Just sign up to our channel and let us support you.